Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And today we're here to name off the winners for the MD108 watch faces, which was off the chart. MD got down on this one. I know he did because of your responses. All right, you all, we're gonna name off the winners, but before we do, we want to make you aware of some deals just in case you know somebody in the family, friends that's looking for a Gear 3 smartwatch. They got some deals going on Groupon, also on Amazon.com, and it's going to be for the Gear 3, the Gear 3 Frontier, and the Gear Sport. Some awesome deals that you may not want to miss out on. Cool? I will leave a link in the description down below so you all can go check it out. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's name off the winners. All right, you all. First of all, I want to say congratulations in the door to every single last one of you all. Thank you for participating. And for those who don't get their name called, you know how it go. I do have some more giveaways coming up, so stay tuned and be patient. I appreciate the love. All right, you all, let's name them all. We're gonna start off with winner number one. That's gonna be Darren Manning. Congratulations, Danny. You are a winner. Vincent, it's been a long time. You are a winner once again. Number three is going to be John C. Now, John C. is new to the family, so make sure you welcome John C. to the family. Congratulations, John. You have won a watch face by MD108. I don't know if you're familiar with him, but this guy gets down. Check out his lineup. Lori, congratulations. We missed you. We haven't seen you in a while. Thank you for just hanging out with us, right? Number five is going to be Paulo. Paulo, congratulations, my friend. Now, again, if you didn't get your name called, trust me, we got more. Ladies, we do got the giveaway for the women's watch faces. We did get authorization to give away, I believe it's three, maybe four, I'm not sure, but look for that video to come up as well. And with that, I want to thank you all for the love, for the participation, and for the support. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Hit the like button on the way out, and if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Listen, I bring watch faces every day, sometimes twice a day. All right, you all, have a good one, and I'm gonna see you all at the next video. Take care.